Hello, all. Hope everyone is safe in this pandemic. So, today I will be going to tell you three factors to make your English fluent before attending any interviews. So, first one is that find someone to talk daily in English. That means this is very much important in order to make your language fluent. You have to find a person whom you really trust, whom you share your ideas, thoughts, etc. And after finding a person, the thing that you have to do is that converse with them, talk with them on a regular basis. So daily you have to talk with them for 30 minutes, 15 minutes, or what all the time you wanted to, and then you have to make or you have to gain a fluency in English. You have to talk with them daily. Second factor is that ask for sudden feedback. So, whenever you end that session of talking, end that session of conversation, you have to ask them immediately to give the feedback how you have performed, what all the mistakes that you had made, and what all the things you wanted to correct, and where you are making the mistakes. Everything they wanted to give the feedback, everything about everything they wanted to tell. Third and most important thing is that you should study some phrases in order to start or in order to begin your answers. Like, well, if I have given a chance to talk, talking on that point, actually, I wanted to tell, etc. So, there are many I would like to talk on that topic. I like the question, perhaps. So, these are some phrases which you can apply before starting the interview board or before starting the answers that the interview board has asked some questions and you wanted to give them the answers. So, before starting the answers, you should use some phrases which will definitely going to make your English more fluent. So they will think that okay, you are confident enough, you have the fluency in English, you're not searching for words, you're not searching for things and all. So you have to by heart some phrases which are going to definitely help you before giving the answers to the questions they are asking. So these are some tips which will definitely going to help your English or help your fluency, which will definitely going to improve your fluency before attending the interviews such as IELTS or any other interviews. If you are applied for a company, a job or anything like that, if you are asking or if you are checking their fluency in English, these three tips will definitely going to help you. So just before the day of that interview, just before that interview day, you have to practice all these things. First thing is that you have to find a person to whom you can have a conversations for 30 minutes or 20 minutes, like that. You should be updated with that person. That means you have to tell them to give the feedback suddenly. And thirdly, you have to by heart or you have to study some phrases.